Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a very beautiful glueless wig from Luvme Hair. Inside the box, I got some items including this stocking cap, also this mesh bag that I could keep my wig in when I'm not using it before putting it in the box. I also got this is like a strap for your edges that you could use to hold your edge down when you glue it down, but I'm not gonna be gluing my wig on today. And I also got this little pouch that has more items in there, and I usually get this with my hair from Luvme Hair. Inside the pouch I got this little mirror. I have a bunch of them by now because I've done so much videos for Luvme Hair. And I got this edge brush, of course, and this is the wig. Guys, look at how beautiful this wig is. It comes with the curls like you see there. Man, I don't know how they get these curls to stay, but these curls weren't going nowhere, and they look so juicy and bouncy. I love the color of it also. And as you can see on the top, it has this deep part that gives you like a side bang, which I really like about this wig. And like I said before guys, it's glueless, so all I have to do is cut the lace off of it and put it on. But I'm trying the wig on now before I cut the lace off, because I like to do that just to see, and get a feel of what the wig actually looks like and feels like on my head. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I actually love it already. You could actually see that on my face that I'm in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig off and cut the lace off of it before putting it back on. And inside of the wig it has a strap, so when I put it on not too long ago, I realized that it wasn't tight enough. So it's good that the strap is adjustable, so I make it a little bit tighter, and after that it was perfect when I put it back on my head. Here I'm brushing my edges down using some edge control, and I'm gonna just brush them going under the wig. Here for the flyaway hair, I'm gonna be using my edge wax stick on it. First, when I apply it, I had too much come off on it, so I had to clean that off with my finger. And then I thought it would be better to just rub it onto the palm of my hand and then transfer it onto my hair. And that was basically all I had to do with this hair. So putting it on was so quick. I'm not gonna brush the curls out until after I do my makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So here I am guys, back with a finished look. But like I said, I was gonna comb the curls out a little bit, so I started combing it out with my fingers, but they wouldn't budge at all, so I decided to use a comb and start combing it out. But I mean, the curls were so nicely put together, even the comb could not let them loose so much. So I don't know, I really like the curls. I don't know what they use to make these curls. I wish I knew, because this is the kind of curl I want to put on my wigs when I curl them, where the curls stay on it, you know what I'm saying, and it doesn't drop after a while. These curls aren't going nowhere. If anything, they are curling right back up, and I super duper love that about it. This wig went on so easy, and I'm not even surprised, because that's how it is with all the glueless wig that I get from Luvme Hair. My son was next to me while I was doing my video, and when I said to him that I was done with putting on the hair, he was like, already? So yeah guys, if you want a wig that's gonna be easy to put on, easy to take off, and it's gonna look as flawless as this one look on me, definitely check Luvme Hair for that kind of wig, because they have so much different variety of glueless wigs. So there's no way you're gonna go on their website and not find something that you like. And I'm gonna leave my discount code right here guys, so you could use it when you shop on their website and get, I think it's 20% off, but if it's not, don't hold me to it, okay? But it's definitely not less than 20% off. I'm gonna definitely wear this wig again in another video because I really like it and I feel like there's so much more that I can do to it. Anyway guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!